How does Google Assistant use natural language processing? Imagine talking to your phone as if you're chatting with a friend. That's what Google Assistant aims to do with natural language processing. When you speak, the assistant first captures your voice and turns it into text using speech recognition technology. This process uses deep neural networks, which are complex models inspired by how the human brain works. These models analyze your speech across multiple layers to understand what you are saying. Once the speech is converted into text, the assistant begins to figure out what you want. It does this through intent recognition, which identifies your main goal, like setting an alarm or asking for the weather. At the same time, entity recognition helps it pick out important details, such as names, places, or times. For example, if you say, "Reminded me to buy groceries at 6 p.m., the assistant recognizes your intent is to set a reminder and the entity is the time 6 p.m. After understanding your request, Google Assistant generates a reply or performs the task. If you asked for the weather, it fetches the latest forecast from online sources and responds naturally. If you want to control smart home devices, it sends commands to compatible gadgets. The assistant also uses advanced NLP models like BERT, which help it understand the context of your questions. This means it can remember previous interactions or environmental cues to give more relevant answers. Google Assistant's ability to understand natural language is boosted by multimodal processing. For example, with features like Look and Talk, it can detect when you want to engage just by looking at your device or making a gesture. This makes conversations feel more natural and less like talking to a machine. On mobile devices running the Android operating system, Google Assistant is deeply integrated. It uses all these NLP techniques to make voice commands quick and easy. Whether you're asking for directions, sending messages, or controlling apps, the assistant's understanding is seamless. This tight integration helps users get things done faster and more intuitively, making your phone feel more like a helpful companion. In short, Google Assistant uses natural language processing to listen, understand, and respond to your voice in a way that feels natural. It combines speech recognition, intent and entity recognition, context awareness, and multimodal signals to make your interactions smooth and efficient. All of this is built into the Android platform, making your device smarter and more responsive every day.